Hello, IPM community. I am Dr. Rukevwe Odjimogho, the leadership development and team building expert, a Maxwell Disc behavioral analysis consultant, and a keynote leadership speaker, trainer, and coach. It is my utmost pleasure to be part of this lovely community. I'm just going to give a brief or summary on my article on emotional intelligence in project teams, the catalyst for success. Now, in today's fast-paced workplace, emotional intelligence, otherwise known as EI or EQ for short, is the secret sauce for successful project teams. It's more than technical skills. It's about understanding and managing emotions to enhance collaboration, resolve conflicts, and boost productivity. Now, EI or emotional intelligence or emotional quotient has five key components: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. I say it again: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. These aren't just buzzwords, they are the foundation for effective teamwork and leadership. Imagine teams where clear communication, trust, and adaptability are the norm. Now, that's what emotional intelligence brings to the table. For project leaders, fostering emotional intelligence in your teams means leading by example, encouraging open communication, and providing training opportunities. That is what it means to foster emotional intelligence in your teams. In addition to you, your team members too can help contribute to the building of emotional intelligence in your project teams. How will they do this? By practicing active listening, reflecting on emotions, and supporting colleagues. Building emotional intelligence can be challenging. And so what you want to do as a project leader is to start small, to leverage behavioral systems like the DISC assessments, and also to celebrate the little progress that you make. When you do these things, they can make a huge difference. And the kind of results you will get include higher productivity, reduced turnover, and better project outcomes. In today's interconnected world, emotional intelligence isn't optional, it's essential. And I can assure you that when you cultivate it, your teams will thrive and not just survive. I hope you get some good benefit from my article on emotional intelligence in project teams, the catalyst for success. Thank you for listening.